Have you ever felt completely exhausted, maybe even a little foggy, or noticed changes in your hair and skin, but then your doctor tells you all your blood tests are... It can be incredibly frustrating, can't it? Like you're not being heard, or worse, that it's all in your head. Well, if you have uterine fibroids, there might be a very good reason why you're feeling this way, even with normal labs. One of the most common symptoms of fibroids is heavy menstrual bleeding. And for many women, that heavy bleeding month after month can slowly but surely drain your body's iron stores. Now, your standard complete blood count, or CBC, often looks at your hemoglobin levels. If your hemoglobin is within the normal range, your doctor might say you're not anemic. But here's the thing, you can have completely normal hemoglobin while still being quite low in iron. This is called iron deficiency without anemia. When your iron is low, even if you're not technically anemic, you can experience a whole host of symptoms. Think profound fatigue, brittle nails, hair loss, feeling cold all the time, shortness of breath, and even that brain fog I mentioned. Your body needs iron for so many vital functions, not just making red blood cells. So what should you do if this sounds familiar? First, don't ignore how you're feeling. I always encourage you to advocate for yourself. Talk to your doctor specifically about your fibroid symptoms and how they might be affecting your iron levels. You might ask if they can check your ferritin levels. Ferritin is a protein that stores iron, and it's a much better indicator of your body's true iron reserves. Understanding this difference can be life-changing. It explains why you might feel unwell, even when your basic blood work looks perfectly fine. Remember, this isn't medical advice, but rather information to empower your conversations with your own healthcare provider. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more insights into uterine fibroids. Your health journey matters.